In 1905, women did not have the same rights that they have today. They were not considered equals to men. Women like Irma Levasseur and Thérèse Casgrain fought for many years so that women could receive equal rights. In 1905, women were not allowed to practice many professions. For example, they could not become doctors, lawyers, notaries, or accountants. The only careers possible for women were teaching or nursing. Irma Levasseur contributed to changing all of this. Irma was born in 1867 and died in 1964. At the end of the 19th century, she decided to study to become a doctor. Because women were not accepted into medicine programs at Canadian universities, she did her studies in the United States and then returned to Quebec in the 1900s. Even with her studies, she was not permitted to practice her profession because women were not permitted to join the College of Doctors and Surgeons in the province of Quebec. She had to wait until 1903 for a special law that gave her permission to practice medicine in Quebec. She became the first female doctor in Quebec. In 1907, she participated in the creation of St. Justin's Hospital in collaboration with Justin Lacoste-Beaubien. Thérèse Casgrain was born in 1896 and died in 1981. Thérèse Casgrain was an advocate for women's rights. In 1921, she fought for women to obtain the right to vote in provincial elections. She was also part of a delegation of women that met with the Prime Minister in 1922 about women receiving the right to vote. It was only in 1940, after many years of hard work, that women received the right to vote in Quebec. All her life, she fought for peace and social justice. In 1955, Thérèse Casgrain became the chief of the New Democratic political party and became the first woman to head a political party in Canada. She also became president of the League of Women's Rights in 1960 and was summoned to the Canadian Senate in 1970.